So I'm going to start this section B by, and again they've given us the 60 contour in the space provided, so I'm going to measure out units of 5 millimeters. And I'm going to draw construction lines parallel to the construction line that they've already given us, which is of course perpendicular to the line EF. So these lines are 5 millimeters apart. And if I need more, I will draw more as we go. So this give us 60, so the next one would represent 65, then 70, then 75, then 80, 85, and there's nothing higher than 85, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Now, we have to draw a profile of the line E to F after earthworks have been completed. So from E to this space, that's all untouched ground. So we're going to deal with, in this space, we're going to deal with the contour lines, and every contour line that intersects the line EF will bring out to its respective height. From this section all the way to F, well, the earthworks have touched the ground within this space, so now we're going to deal with our heights that we put in by construction, and we're going to use them, and of course finishing off with a level of 60 across the river. So just to show you how to do this, it is quite straightforward. E is on the contour line of 60, so we simply bring that out, as they have done for us, to the 60 contour height, and that is the first line on our profile, or first point on our profile. The 65 contour line intersects the line EF there, so you're going to bring that out to the 65 contour, that's the second point. The 70 contour line intersects EF there, so bring it out to 70. And you just follow that process. 75, you're going to bring that out to the 75 line. 80 contour intersects here. And now the next contour line that intersects it, if you follow it, is actually 75. So we're going to bring that again back out to its starting step down the way now again to 75. The next contour line actually hits twice. It hits on the way over and back. That's at altitude 70. So I'm going to bring that out to 70 and 70 again. So it's almost like it's again increasing in height. And now we're into our geologic geometry. The construction, the area of construction where we have now manipulated the landscape. So now we're cutting across over to our initial heights. So my 70 height contour swings around and the arc intersects the line EF there. So I'm going to, where that 70 contour intersects it, I'm bringing that out to 70. This is after the artworks have been completed. The 65 arc intersects the line EF in that space just right there, so you're going to bring that out to 65. The edge of the river bank is at 60, so you're going to bring that out to the 60 contour. And then finally, water is level, so of course it's 60 all the way across to the end of that line, which is F, which is also at 60. Okay, now, so we can freehand sketch through all of these points. Now, your contour goes, it's going up and up and up to a height of 80, and then it's going down, and then it's continued going down, and then your geometry takes over. So just freehand sketch to look like that. At this point, what I'm going to do is, where my geometry takes over, I'm just going to bring out construction line there, and I'm just going to, as if the flow of the land does start to go up, and now it goes down artificially, and from here, because it's man-made, it should be a straight line. So a straight line down, and then line section there, and that's what your profile looks like.